Welcome to DFYAISuite, first ever AI suite that lets you effortlessly rebrand and resell 100 plus AI apps, find potential clients with just a few clicks, and generate marketing content in just seconds. With standalone branding and access for each tool, or for all of them together as a bundle. And all this in under 60 seconds. Yes, let me show you how. By clicking on the Setup Brand tab, you'll be redirected to the extremely simple Branded Apps Builder. Simply add a search term here. For example, let's say AI. Wait for the pre-selected options to appear. Pick any option from the list. Hit the search button. Now you've got a list of potential clients you can reach out to, not only to offer your AI services as an agency, but also to sell access to your app. You can also apply other filters to narrow things down, like location, source sites, project type, or projects posted within the last X hours. Great! Now, you not only have the AI business set up in seconds, but also the clients to sell access to the apps you control inside your AI business. And for that, you have at your disposal all the advanced AI tools to generate outstanding marketing material and advertising campaigns to target your clients like a pro. Well, I guess you get the point now. And this is why DFYAISuite is rapidly revolutionizing the app white labeling industry. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. It's awesome having the ability to rebrand and resell 100+ AI apps, find potential clients with just a few clicks, and generate marketing content in just seconds. How does it sound to you? Making a killer income as an AI business selling access to cutting-edge AI software. And on top of that, making even more money by selling access to the entire DFYAISuite platform, also under your own brand. Yes, my friends. If you want to go to the next level and decide to upgrade your DFYAISuite access, you can do so and a lot more. Inside the agency/reseller panel, you will be able to create access for clients who are interested in becoming resellers of this entire platform. Imagine how much you could charge for access to such an incredible AI business builder engine. And on top of that, under your own brand, while keeping 100% of the profit to yourself, and we handle all of the technical stuff. We handle the technology, and you handle the money. What a crazy deal, don't you think? But how would you did? See you on the other side.